Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Monday, July 27th. I wanted to start off with a couple of 500 millibar forecast maps, the anomalies from the normal pattern seen in the 500 millibar level for this Wednesday, and then more than a week from now, at the end of next week, next Friday, because big changes are coming. Looks like we may have some of the hottest weather of all summer this Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the mid-Atlantic region. Temperatures easily reaching 90 degrees in most of the I-95 corridor on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Less humid air pushes back into the region on Friday. And then it looks like a big pattern change unfolds next week. By the time late next week rolls around, it looks like we'll be well below normal. And we'll take a look at why over the next couple of minutes. First of all, this is from last night's 0Z GFS model run using the website tropicaltidbits.com. This is the 500 millibar pattern for this Wednesday, 48 hours from now. Notice here a ridge in the northeastern part of the country, and this is helping to cause some hotter than normal weather for Tuesday, Wednesday into Thursday. A cool frontal system pushes in by late in the day Thursday. There can be a few showers and thunderstorms today. Any of that can produce some heavy rainfall, and then there can be more in the way of shower and thunderstorm activity late Thursday with that frontal system. But in between, hot weather for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, thanks to this ridge setting up in the northeastern part of the country. But let's now jump ahead to next Friday. This is a week from this Friday, about a week and a half away. And look at the changes here in the northeastern part of the country. Again, this is the 500 millibar anomaly chart for a week from this Friday, the end of next week. And look at the changes from this Wednesday, which is right here, that ridge in the northeastern U.S., to a strong upper level low by the end of next week. So again, some of the hottest weather that we'll experience all summer long looks like it'll occur this Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the I-95 corridor. But a big pattern change takes place next week for cooler than normal weather to return to the I-95 corridor. Well, now that we've taken a quick peek at a look ahead to the end of next week, let's get back to the current weather conditions. We have a weak frontal system just kind of meandering along here in the I-95 corridor in the Mid-Atlantic region. A band of heavy showers and thunderstorms pushed through parts of the region earlier today, and there certainly can be some more in the way of shower and thunderstorm activity anywhere in this region, in the Mid-Atlantic region, with that dissipating weak frontal system. Any shower that forms today or any thunderstorm can produce some heavy rainfall. The atmosphere is full of moisture once again. The clouds and rain will keep temperatures confined to the 80s for the most part, but there can be some more heavy rainfall in and around the I-95 corridor during the midday, afternoon, into the early evening hours. After that, high pressure seen right here over the Great Lakes pushes into the northeastern part of the country. Primarily dry conditions for Tuesday and Wednesday, but quite hot, with high temperatures likely reaching 90 degrees up and down the I-95 corridor. Well, here's the latest radar loop, and here's that batch of showers and thunderstorms that crossed across southeastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and the northern part of Virginia, Maryland, Delaware, now moving towards the east coast off the Delmarva Peninsula. Not too much showing up right now west of there, west of the I-95 corridor. Mainly a rain-free pattern here, but the atmosphere again is full of moisture. That weak frontal system will keep the lower part of the atmosphere unstable enough that I expect more in the way of showers and thunderstorms to form during the midday and afternoon hours into the evening hours. And again, any shower or thunderstorm can produce some heavy rainfall. Well, let's stick with the theme of last night's 0Z GFS model run. Now we'll look at surface forecast maps, again using the Tropical Tidbits website. This is for early this afternoon, around 2 o'clock this afternoon. GFS putting out some shower and perhaps embedded thunderstorm activity up and down the I-95 corridor. Meanwhile, high pressure seen here producing rain-free conditions over the Great Lakes, but we can have some more in the way of downpours this afternoon in the I-95 corridor. Let's now jump ahead 6 hours. And here's the forecast map for early this evening. About 8 o'clock this evening, still some showers and thunderstorms up and down the I-95 corridor. Again, any of those can produce some heavy rainfall. High pressure just waiting in the wings here over the Great Lakes by early this evening. Finally, by late tonight, things start to settle down here. That high pressure starts to edge its way into the mid-Atlantic region. Only residual stuff hanging along the coastal regions here by this time. This is shortly after midnight, and by this time again we'll be winding down with the potential shower and thunderstorm activity. Let's now jump ahead another 6 hours to tomorrow morning. And here we go for the Tuesday morning forecast map. High pressure by this time starts to dominate here in the mid-Atlantic region. Looks like primarily rain-free days on Tuesday and Wednesday, but hot. Looks like 90 degrees, perhaps even into the low to mid-90s by Wednesday afternoon in much of the I-95 corridor. That hot weather continues on Thursday, but then another strong cool frontal system seen right here come tomorrow morning in the northern plains reaches the I-95 corridor late Thursday afternoon into the evening hours, again with the threat for more showers and thunderstorms. Then less humid air returns on Friday. Again, hottest weather perhaps of all summer, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but a big pattern change unfolds next week to cooler than normal. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.